Hi, today I am going to be showing you how to use the library website on Carroll College's website. So first, you're going to go to Academics, and then down from Academics is the library, and this takes you directly to the library's website. And here's something that is really cool is this Articles and Databases tab. So when you click on this, it takes you to this big long list of databases that the library has subscribed to. And these are all arranged in alphabetical order, so you can go down and find certain ones for different subjects of any paper that you are writing, including like MLA, which is a great one for English. So now going back to the main page. So this is the main library page, and here you can search through the library's databases. So say you want to find something on artificial intelligence. And this is a big long list of journals, articles, books, and more about artificial intelligence. But as you can see, the results, there's a lot of results. So you can go over here. And you can say, I want these to be available at Carroll. Or you can say, I want this just to be the Carroll Course Reserves, which is just something that is specifically and stays in the library. Or you can go to Trails Montana Libraries, which pulls resources from all different libraries throughout Montana. We'll just keep this as available at Carroll. And then over here at the advanced search, you can apply different filters. So you can go down here and you can say the availability, whether you want it to be online resource or availability physically at Carroll College. So we'll apply this availability physically at Carroll College. So this brings us down to 19 results. And we want to see, say you specifically want a book. So we can go apply that filter, and this would bring it down even narrower to 15 results. And you can look through these and it tells you exactly where they're located within the library using this number system, and anybody at the library can come and help you with that as well. So that's just a little tutorial on how to search for an article or a book in the Corret Library database.